Hello, I'm Eduardo Solis, and this is today's fable. The Parrot and the Cat. A man once bought a parrot and gave it the run of his house. It reveled in its liberty and presently flew up onto the mantelpiece and screamed away to its heart's content. The noise disturbed the cat, who was asleep on the hearth rug. Looking up at the intruder, she said, "Who may you be, and where have you come from?" The parrot replied, "Your master has just bought me and brought me home with him." "You impudent bird," said the cat. "How dare you, a newcomer, make a noise like that? Why, I was born here and have lived here all my life, and yet if I venture to mew, they throw things at me and chase me all over the place." "Look here, mistress," said the parrot. "You just hold your tongue. My voice they delight in, but yours is a perfect nuisance." The end. This has been today's fable, and I thank you for watching. Be good, take care, and God bless.